Okay, the driver's toolkit is located in the driver's footwell, which is just here. To remove the panel, it's just a case of simply grabbing the panel, pull, and that's located the toolkit. To remove the jack, you have to turn the end of the jack counterclockwise to lower it, because it locates just here. And the toolkit will just slide out through here, and this is the toolkit. Comes with a warning triangle and a jack, and the other parts for the wheel brace are all located in here, which I will show you now. The toolkit consists of one jack, one extension bar for the jack. This is the wheel brace. Just simply pull that out there, that's a socket for the wheel nuts, and the towing eye for the front of the vehicle, and also the warning triangle.